Hi everyone, this is a screencast review of IXL Math produced by IXL Learning in 2007. IXL Math is a tutorial and drill and practice online math program. At the top you'll see different tabs that we will be going through together. My school is currently using this program with our 3rd to 8th grade classrooms. Each student and teacher has their own login and password. Unfortunately, because of the grade levels that I teach, I do not have access to the login, so we will be using the free information that they are providing us with on this website. First, I would like to start with state standards. IXL Math is aligned with the Common Core state standards for all 50 states. On the right-hand side, you'll see all links to every state, and we can use Pennsylvania as our example. On the top and the bottom is a list of grade levels, so we'll use first grade. They provide you with a list of each math state standard for first grade. Under each state standard, you'll see links to specific skills that the students will work on under that standard. So we'll go in and use an example. So addition with pictures. You'll see there's a speaker on the left-hand side for directions.
Add.
So the child will actually have to physically click on that if they would like those directions read aloud for them. They will then do the addition, type in their answer, and submit. On the right-hand side, you'll see the problems that the child attempted, the time it is taking them, and their total score out of 100. Let's talk a little bit about the memberships. Memberships can be made online for parents as well as teachers. Parents, for a monthly payment of $9.95, can have access on their home computer for their child, or yearly for $79. As a teacher, you can purchase the program for $199 for just your classroom for 30 students, or your school or district can request a quote for more than one classroom. Teachers are also provided with a 30-day trial to try it out before they actually use it. But so far, our students as well as our teachers love this program. So if you sign up for a membership, you will receive, as a teacher and a parent, weekly emails of reports for every child or every student individually, as well as a whole classroom. So the reports you will receive will keep track of what the students are working on, how they are doing towards that skill, what they will continue to need review on, and how well they do as a classroom towards the state standards. You'll also receive how long it takes them and their grades. Now we'll go into the practice. After each student signs on, this is what their screen looks like. They have 2 tabs on the left-hand side. One is grade levels and one is topics, which are the different skills. So the student can choose between any skill that they would like to work on or their grade level, which is actually ideal for those students who struggle with math or receive learning support in math and are below grade level. So they can actually click on a grade level that suits their needs. We'll use 3rd grade as a primary example. And here is a list of all of the skills taught throughout the 3rd grade year. The student will then choose the topic that they are learning at that moment or the topic that the teacher tells them to work on individually. So we'll use rounding as an example. So the question comes up. The student would write their answer in the box. And then they would submit. Again, the good thing about this program is that if the student writes the wrong answer, it will give an explanation, a reminder, and exactly how to solve this problem. On the right-hand side, again, you'll see the problems that were attempted, the time, and their score out of 100. There are award programs for the students. They would use theme game boards, and it's filled with awards and prizes. And it's practicing the skill that they have been currently working on and determining if they have mastered that skill. It's a good way to reach up to their goal, their individual goal, as to what they would like to learn and what they are supposed to be learning. The teacher also keeps track of this to determine if that particular student has mastered their goal. So you can see that IXL Math is a program that is used from preschool, pre-kindergarten, all the way up to geometry. And at the bottom of the webpage, you'll see that eventually, in the near future, they are trying to develop a language arts program and incorporate more algebra and trigonometry onto that high school level.